What's up cats, it's ThaDynaKat. The Chevy Cobalt is just another little small mid-2000s American saloon like this. But unlike literally almost every other, this can be given supercharged steroids from the factory. This is the SS. It has a 2-litre 4-pot which is used to make about 170 horsepower, but this has a supercharger, like my Ford GT Roadster. While that has about 550 horsepower, this makes the still insane 205 horsepower made to a 5-speed manual and front-wheel drive. Starting is stylish and it's alright. The SS has more aggressive bumpers, sporty reels, and a Subaru Impreza WRX STI rivaling wing, giving it a mid overall. On the midnight cruising, it's quite loud thanks to that supercharger. However, although it may not be a grand tourer, it's a fine hot hatch that's sportsy pay, as it's quick and handles well. Oh, who knows? On to Dynapolis. 46 seconds is decent. Now to jump. Wow, that wasn't bad. In conclusion, it's amazing value, but I can't recommend it over the 2006 Mini Cooper S. Although it's slower, it's a greater handler, and it comes as a convertible. In conclusion, I recommend this, but I would personally just get a Coupe S convertible.